Hey guys, welcome back. Let's have a look tonight at Opendoor stock, because what do you see here? Well, in my opinion, you see another very positive and very impressive day here for Opendoor. We're seeing the stock price moving up by a further 3.16%. This comes at a time where the stock really, for persistent periods of time now, is moving to the upside. The 5-day trend here is absolutely massive with 55% gains, and even looking here over the past month now, things are not looking too bad. Actually, quite good, with gains of over 190%. With all of this, the question on many people's minds is, well, where do we go from here? And over the course of this short video, I will be sharing with you all of my personal thoughts and opinions based on everything that we are seeing. If it sounds like a good watch, as always, please do make sure to leave a like in it and subscribe. It would help me out a lot. At the same time, as always, remember, this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Now, jumping straight in, what stands out to you for Opendoor stock over here? Well, one thing that stands out to me is that we are appearing to see a nice level of support actually beginning to hold. We've seen the stock hit bottoms at 886, and now again today we're rising up by around 3%. Now that's impressive for a number of different reasons. Of course, we did have major good news regarding Opendoor, which in and of itself is a positive catalyst in my opinion. However, even with that, right, this is a stock which has had a lot of speculation, and the fact it's able to hold on to these gains yet again at a new high, significantly higher than where we were before, is a huge sign. So what are we looking for into tomorrow in the next few days? Well, support levels need to hold. This more than breaking out to the upside, which by the way, I do think is very, very possible. But more than that even, this is about seeing if these levels to the downside can hold. And I do think that there is every possibility of it. But again, only time will tell. So levels that we're trying to watch out for. Of course, the absolute lowest that we're looking to go to is going to be 886 or 885. If we do drop below that, you're looking to really not push below 757, as that would be potentially a trend change. However, above that, you could be looking to see this stock hold levels like 927, 930. If we are able to hold on to those, you're looking at that potential upside move. Initial levels to break are going to be things like 975. We're looking to break them past levels, obviously, such as $10. Into the $10 range, finding consistent support above the $10 range would be great as well. Now that would of course set us up massively for that push, which could potentially take us even higher. However, I think the potential here now with Opendoor stock is absolutely huge. I think things are looking extremely impressive, and I'm very, very happy with how things are. Again, this relative consolidation is a huge sign. I think it really is a major good thing. Even if the stock was to drop back down to those levels, 886, something like that, I think all in all that is not that bad at all. At the same time, this drop has given the indicators at the RSI more than enough time to cool off. We're now seeing these coming down to much more normal levels, which in and of itself is also a good thing. Lots to look forward to here. It's a very interesting stock at the minute, and we've got a lot of updates to give in the next few days as well. There's going to be a lot coming out on this one. Very, very interesting to watch. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I hope you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day. I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right, guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here, guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks. But do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment, guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.